Hello students, in our previous lecture we are start our unit number 3rd, that is cost, volume, profit and analysis. In our previous lecture we are studied the theoretical part of our unit number 3rd. Now we are going to discuss now we are going to solve a problem on profit, cost, volume, profit analysis. Here problem number first is given and information is given here, and according to this information we have to solve the ratios, or we have to find out some amounts. Here problem number first, from the following information find out first BEP. BEP means break even point. Second, profits for sales volume rupees 10,000, and third, the volume of sales to make a net profit of rupees 10,000. And information particulars rupees. First, fixed cost is rupees 13,000, variable cost is rupees 15,000, total cost is rupees 28,000, net profit rupees 2000, and net sales rupees 30,000. Okay, so here all information is provided, and to find out the BEP, to find out the profit for sale of rupees 50,000, and to find out the sales when the net profit is 10,000. Okay, so here we use our formula and find out these amounts, or find out the break even point as well as profit, and then we find out the sales. Here profit for sale, here sale is given, we have to find out the profit. Here profit is given, we have to find out the sales if the profit is rupees 10,000. Okay, got it? So here we solve the problem. First of all, we find out the contribution of the organization. So solution here, first of all contribution. So contribution is equal to sales or selling price minus variable cost. Okay, so here sales is equal to 30,000 is given. Okay, so sales is 30,000. Okay, here sales is given in the problem. Okay, sales is 30,000 minus variable cost. So variable cost is also given. Okay, variable cost rupees 15,000. So we deduct this 50,000 from sales. Okay, so here 15,000. Okay, so our contribution is equal to, so here contribution is equal to 15,000. Okay, 15,000. Okay, now we are find out the PV ratio. Okay, here PV ratio. How you calculate? So ratio is, or formula is, PV ratio is equal to contribution. Okay, in previous lecture we are discussed the formula of PV ratio, that is contribution divided by sales. Okay, divided by sales. Okay, so here we find out the contribution. Here we find out contribution here. Okay, contribution is find out. and sales is given. Sales is rupees 30,000. Okay, so put the figures in the formula. So here contribution is equal to 15,000 divided by sales, okay, multiplied by 100. Okay, we study PV ratio in our previous lecture. PV ratio is always in percentage, so multiplied by 100. Okay, got it? Yes sir, got it. 15,000 divided by 30,000 multiplied by 100. Okay, we get a PV ratio that is 50%. Okay, 50% is our PV ratio. Now we easily calculate the BEP sales. Okay, now we are calculate first point, that is BEP is equal to, so here BEP is equal to fixed cost upon fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Okay, PV ratio, and this formula was discussed in our previous lecture. So put the values or figures in the formula. So find out the fixed cost. I think fixed cost is given in your problem here. First, fixed cost is given, so put this fixed cost in the formula. We get a BEP break-even point, that is, okay, so here fixed cost is equal to 13,000 divided by PV ratio. Here PV ratio is 50%. 50%, how we write it? So 50% or 50 divided by 100. Okay, write it 50% or 50 divided by 100. Okay, 50 divided by 100. So here the PV ratio is equal to, so this divided is in this side multiplied by 13,000. So here 13,000 divided by 1. Okay, here nothing else means here 1 is considered. Okay, 1 multiplied by, we are transfer these are divided by 13,000 divided by 100. Here we multiplied it as 100. 100. Okay, so here 100 divided by 50. Okay, 100 divided by 50. 100 divided by 50. We get a BEP sales. Okay, so BEP sales is equal to that is 13,000 multiplied by 100. Okay, divided by 50. So here is equal to 26,000. Okay, 26,000 is BEP rupees. So BEP in value rupees 26 is our answer. Okay, so here we find out the BEP rupees 26,000. Now we are find out the profit. Okay, second point. Okay, second ratio, that is profit. Here in problem, see the problem here. Profit for sale volume of rupees 50,000. It means find the profit if sales is rupees 50,000. Simple. Find the profit if sales is rupees 50,000. Okay, here into bracket, find a profit if sales is rupees 50,000. Okay, so here use the formula which is discussed in our previous lecture. So profit is equal to sales multiplied by PV ratio. Okay, PV ratio. Okay, bracket complete, minus less fixed cost. So put the values, put the figures in the formula. Here sales is given, PV ratio is find out, and fixed cost is also given. So is equal to sales rupees 30,000 or 50,000. So we find out the profit on 50,000 sales. Okay, so don't take here a 30,000 sales. Okay, find out a profit if sales is rupees 50,000. So consider sales is rupees 50,000. Okay, so here 50,000 multiplied by PV ratio, and PV ratio is 50 divided by 100. Okay, bracket complete, minus fixed cost, and fixed cost is given. So fixed cost is minus fixed cost is rupees 13,000, which is given in the problem here. Okay, these are the 13,000 is fixed cost. So here is equal to so find out or calculate 50,000. So here 25 means 25, 250 divided by 100. Okay, so 50,000 multiplied by 50, it means 25 lakh divided by 100. So divided by 100, only 0 get cancelled, it's called 25,000. So first of all solve the bracket means here 50,000 multiplied by 50, that is 25 lakh. Okay, 25 lakh divided by 100. Okay, divided by 100 minus 13,000. Okay, so is equal to, here 0 get cancelled, so here 25,000 is equal to 25,000 minus 13,000. Okay, we get a profit if sales is rupees 50,000, and that is amounted to rupees 25,000 minus 13,000 is equal to 12,000 is the profit if sales is rupees 50,000. Okay, got it? Okay, so only cancel this 0 and this 0, last 2 0. We get a 25,000, and from 25,000 we deduct the fixed cost, that is 13,000. Okay, got it? Okay, now we solve a last or third point, that is the volume of sales to make a net profit, to find out a sales. Okay, so here to find out a sales, if net profit is rupees 10,000. Okay, so here find out a sales if net profit is 10,000. Okay, find out a sales if net profit is 10,000. Here find out a sales if net profit is rupees 10,000. Okay, so here solution is here. Third point, sales is equal to fixed cost plus profit, fixed cost plus profit. Okay, profit is given, fixed cost is given, divided by PV ratio. Okay, divided by PV ratio, divided by PV ratio. Okay, so here divided by PV ratio. So put the figures in the formula. So here fixed cost is rupees 13,000. Okay, 13,000 plus profit is given. Here 10,000 is the net profit, so 10,000 is adding 13,000 divided by PV ratio, and PV ratio is equal to 50% or 50 divided by 100. Write it here, 50% or 50% or 50 divided by 100. Okay, 50 divided by 100. Here we write it as OR. Okay, both techniques are given to you, solve by any one technique. Okay, so here is equal to 13 plus is equal to 23,000 divided by 15% or 50 upon 100. Answer is same, there is no any change in answer. Okay, so here 23,000 divided by 50% or 50 upon 100. So here 50 percent or 50 upon 100. So divided by 50%, it means the sale value, 50% or 50% or here 23,000 divided by 50%. So here we get an answer, or another techniques is here, 50 divided by 100. Okay, so use any one of the technique given here, answer is same. So here directly calculated, if we directly calculated 23,000 divided by 50%. Okay, here we calculate only this. Okay, 23,000 divided by 15%, we directly get a answer, that is sales of rupees, sales of rupees 46,000. Okay, and we using this formula we calculate another step, that is 23,000 divided by 1 divided by 1 divided by 1 and multiplied by, so here 50 upon 100 we transfer to here, that is we multiplied here, so here we reverse this. Okay, 50 divided by 100, so here 100 divided by 50. Okay, 100 divided by 50. Okay, mathematics, you know very well the mathematics. Okay, so 100 divided by 50, so answer is same. Okay, so 150 is equal to, so answer is same 46,000. Okay, so here we add another step here, 23,000 multiplied by 100. Okay, that is 23 lakh divided by 50, that is 46,000. Okay, so here 23 lakh divided by 50. Okay, 50 means divided by 2 or divided by 50, same. Okay, so here divided by 50. Okay, 50, so answer is 46,000. If we earn a rupees 10,000, we sell a goods of rupees 46,000. Okay, rupees. Okay, rupees 56,000. Got it? Okay, so here we solve the problems on cost profit volume analysis. In our next lecture we are start a unit number 4th or another practical problem on this unit. Otherwise we start a unit number 4th. Okay, here just remember the formulas. Okay, so only remember the formula and this first problem. If we need, we take another practical problem on this unit. Otherwise we are start our unit number 4th. Okay, that is budget and budgetary controls and types of budget. Okay, thank you very much.